Hi everyone, let's take a look at the recording options using BigBlueButton. To start, log in to Learn Seneca and then access one of your courses. Then click the link to your online classroom and then click the Launch button. There you'll see the options for the BigBlueButton room attached to your course. One of the first things to do is check your settings. Click the Edit Room button and just make sure that you've checked that sessions in this room may be recorded. If not, select it and save that option, or if you have already, you can cancel. Now let's go and check our recording options in session. Click the Join Session button, then set up your microphone. You may have to allow the browser to connect with your microphone. After a while, you'll notice that you've got the Start Recording button at the very top. Whenever you're ready to record, click Start Recording. Say yes. The recording timer will start, and recordings are saved automatically to the cloud. If you want to pause recording, just simply click the recording button again and say yes to pause recording. And when you're ready to resume, click Resume Recording and say yes. And when you've finished your session, you can click the three dots to access the options and then end the meeting. Recordings will appear in the room interface, listed chronologically by date. This one appeared quite quickly, although sometimes recordings will take a bit of time depending on how long the recording is. You can check duration. If you want to unpublish the recording, don't make it available just yet for viewing, you can do so. When you're ready to have it released to students, you can click Publish, and they'll have access to links to see the video. You can click the video link and run the video. Students will see that as well. You'll also have access to statistics, and this will tell you how long the session was, who attended the session, etc. Note, students don't get access to the statistics link. You can also download the statistics as a CSV file. And there you go. There are some of the options you have for recording in BigBlueButton. Thanks for watching. If you need any further information or assistance, please don't hesitate to contact teaching@senecacollege.ca.